on Carnival Valor. We are in the theater room right now. Cash is over there on the stage. What's up, Cash? So take a look around and enjoy this 360. Move your left and right, or hold your phone and move your left and right. Put on a VR headset. Check it out. 360 Carnival Cruise Valor. There's a pool. Oh wow. That's Cash, look, there's the screen and the pool. Can't right now with the stroller, but we will in a little bit. Checking it out. Too cold for Kayla right now here in Galveston. It's like upper 70s, but it's a little windy and a little drizzly. But Cash wanted to see the top, so here it is. Got a cool water slide over here. And we got some hot tubs, swimming pools, screen, all kinds of good stuff. So heading towards Mexico soon to that warmer weather. We'll have a good time. Since this was our first time cruising with the boys, we wanted to see what Camp Ocean had to offer. In Camp Ocean, they had many activities for all ages of kids. They had a cool video game center, little area to watch movies, plenty of room for activities, and a selection of arts and crafts they can make. We spent the majority of the cruise all together, but there was a few times when Cash really wanted to go play with the other kids. Before long, our rooms were ready, and we were able to check them out. They were nice and cozy. We normally go for the interior room to save money, because we were normally only in the room to sleep. 2 bunk beds pop out of the ceiling, so Cash can sleep up there, and we actually got a baby crib for Cale.
All aboard, this is the judge.